Hello viewers and my dear students. I am Professor Pranav Kumar Shetty working with Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology Pune. Today we are going to learn our first chapter from section 1 of Accommodation Operations 1 HS 303, that is contract cleaning. In this chapter we are going to cover the following topics: definition of contract, concept of contract cleaning, jobs that are given on contract cleaning by housekeeping department, what are the advantages and disadvantages of contract cleaning, and various methods of pricing. Definition: a contract can be defined as an agreement between two parties negotiating a business deal. Example: Taj Group of Hotels getting into a contract with BVG for housekeeping services. Both the parties negotiate on the terms and conditions and agree with each other. The second definition: as per Section 2H of the Indian Contract Act 1872, a contract is an agreement enforceable by law. That means any contract between two or more parties should have legal concerns to avoid conflicts or unwanted situations. The contract should be permissible and registered by the court of law. Let us understand the concept of contract cleaning. Budgeting simplified. The executive housekeeper has an advantage to add direct figures to the budget as specified in the contract for annual budgeting of the department. Getting specialized professionals. Professional staff is brought in by the service provider for getting the task completed, helping in increasing the efficiency and productivity. Time and resource saving. Helps the organization in saving on time and resources spent behind training of staff, purchasing of equipment, maintenance of equipment, and supervision work. Improving standards of the organization. While getting in professional staff for cleaning services gives assurance to the guest of the hotel about the levels of hygiene and sanitation. Correct and upgraded equipments. Latest equipments are brought in by the service provider for efficient and effective cleaning tasks to be carried out in the hotel, tailored for the company. While getting into the contract, the exact specifications can be laid down by the hotel executive housekeeper as per the requirements of the hotel. Let us understand the different types of contract cleaning services that the hotel can go for. Complete cleaning programs with all the work and responsibilities undertaken by the service provider. Regular selected cleaning within an establishment to assist the existing housekeeping staff. Example: the cleaning of public areas during the night hours, the cleaning of public washrooms during the day and the night hours, and deep cleaning of certain articles. Periodic services to assist existing housekeeping operations such as window cleaning, cleaning of walls and ceilings, and shampooing of carpets. Hire contracts with various rental firms for linen, equipment, etc. The entire housekeeping operations of the property can also be put on contract by the hotel. Let us see the jobs that can be given on contract by the housekeeping department. Cleaning programs, linen hire, equipment and furniture hire, laundry complete or part operations, flower arrangement and decorations, pest control, horticulture and landscaping, eco-friendly garbage disposal, other services like shoe polishing machines, guest amenities, etc. In this slide, we'll understand what are the different specialized contract services that can be taken up by the hotel. Pest control, cleaning of high glasses, deep cleaning of kitchens, polishing of surfaces, horticulture, and landscaping. Let us understand the steps to be taken while making a contract. Put tenders to at least 3 or more contractors and compare the quotation. Check out the market credibility of the contractor. Check references thoroughly for ensuring safety of the contract. Check whether the contractor is registered and licensed under the Contract Labour Act 1970, the Government of India. Check the type and amount of training given to the workers by the contractor. Prepare detailed specifications of the jobs to be carried out. Let us see some of the specifications of a contract. Period or duration of the contract, date of signing the contract, and regular review of the specifications laid down by the housekeeper and the service provider. Schedule of areas to be served with the frequency. Frequency with which the job is to be done. Hours during which the work is to be done. Security requirements of the staff and the hotel. The specifications should also include provision of locker facilities to the outsourced staff who is coming to the hotel for cleaning services. Cover of sickness and annual leaves given to the service provider. Document giving clear and precise instructions about the task that is to be carried out during the working hours at the hotel. Description of methods, equipments, and material required for cleaning a particular area. Insurance cover of guests, workers, and assets of the property. Let us check some of the advantages of contract cleaning. There is no capital outlay for equipment so that the money is available for investment in other purposes. There is no equipment lying idle in the hotel. Extra work may be carried out at certain times without increasing the basic staff. The difficulty of finding, training, organizing, and supervising staff is passed on to the service provider. The hotel receives the benefit of the service provider's up-to-date know-how in their area of expertise and for latest equipment and technology. Accurate budgeting is done for a fixed period of time. Let us discuss some of the disadvantages of contract cleaning. Contracting weakens the authority of the management over the quality and loyalty of the staff. There is loss of flexibility in operations as the housekeeper no longer controls the entire operations. There may be poor supervision with the standard of work falling below par as a result. There may be problems regarding security of the staff, security of the guests, and hotel assets. Workers may not show up within the designated time frame for working. There is natural tendency among the contractors to use cheap quality products which may be poor quality and may damage the building and the contents in the long term. Let us understand some of the methods of pricing a contract. Their basis of payment for outsourced service may include one or more of the following: a unit rate agreement, a cost for the job plus a fixed fee. Unit rate agreements. These are one of the most preferred agreement methods used by the housekeeping services for deciding on the pricing of a contract. The details of the area to be covered and the job frequency is given by the executive housekeeper, and the service provider is asked to give the cost as per the area. The cost is calculated on the basis of area measured by the contractor, for which a simple formula is used. The cost is calculated by man hours is equal to area multiplied by time multiplied by frequency. Let us understand by an example How unit rate agreements can be calculated. If a contracted firm has to clean 5 different areas taking 2 hours each twice a week, the man hours will be calculated as man hours is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 20 hours. To the cost of the wages of workers and supervisors, the firm adds the cost of equipment, cleaning agents, supplies, profits, and quotes a price for the contract. The second method of pricing a contract is cost plus fixed fee basis. A cost plus fixed fee basis contract is a specific type of contract wherein the contractor is paid for the normal expenses for a project plus an additional fixed fee for their services. These allow the contractors to collect a profit on the project, and they encourage economic production in various industries. These expenses in cost plus fixed fee are calculated according to the market values. The fixed fee portion of the contract may be subject to negotiation between the parties and can therefore vary according to the needs of each project. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for some more videos coming up.